Okay, hi Alisa, I am Hakim, your PC advisor. Okay, so today we're going to find a suitable PC for you to continue your study, right? Okay, first of all, I want to introduce you about motherboard. Okay, a motherboard is one of the most essential part of a computer system. It holds together many of the crucial components of a computer, including the central processing unit, or known as CPU, memory and connector for input and output devices. The base of a material typically is some sort of rigid plastic, thin layer of copper or aluminum foil referred to the traces are printed onto the sheet. Um, these traces are very narrow and form the circuit between the various components. In addition to circuit, a motherboard contains a number of sockets and slots to connect the other computer. Okay, the motherboard is like a soul of the computer, and it is the most essential part, like I said before. Okay, that's all. Okay. Other than motherboard, we also have hard disk drive. Hard disk drive is a hard drive or fixed disk. Is an electromechanical data storage device. Uses magnetic storage to store and retrieve digital information using one or more rigid, rapidly rotating disks or platter coated with the magnetic material. Okay, hard disk is the storage like pen drive or diskette, the old storage devices. So I recommended you to buy the at least 1 terabyte of hard disk drive is enough. Okay, I will pass to the next presenter.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Today I would like to present about these two hardware that is important in a computer. Okay, first is the system fan, and second is optical drive disk. Okay, for the system cooling system or system fan. Okay, the system fan can be defined as a system as a fan that is attached inside a case of a computer in order to act as coolant or to draw hot air in the case from inside to outside. This in order uh, to keep the performance of any hardware. Okay, the second second hardware that I will present to you is optical drive disk. Okay, the optical drive disk can be defined as disk that is used light, laser light or electromagnet that trigger the visible light spectrum as part of a process which is reading and playing from the disk. Okay, this helps you to read, to edit, or to play any kind of video, music, or anything else in the CD. Okay.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Fizahin bin Rusli, and I want to explain to you about processor. Okay, as we know, processor is brains of computer system. Processor control the working of all hardware and software. Okay, for processor, as you can see, this is processor and this is component of processor. Okay, I choose one problem and solution for processor. And for example, if your processor is overheat or becoming too hot, you need to clean your computer by cleaning dust at heatsink. Okay, and the area, focus to the processor area, and you can install extra fan for your desktop. Okay, next is graphic card. Graphic card is programmable chip specialized for display function. Okay, as we know, display function is for animation, music, video, and pictures. Okay, so I choose two problems and solution for graphic card. This is basic problem for user. First is, if you cannot select the desired refresh rate, you need to check for updated drivers for the video card and monitor. Okay, if you not download the updated version yet, you need to install and update. Okay, next is, if you cannot change OpenGL or DirectX setting, you need to install the video card and vendor's driver than using the default driver, because vendor's driver usually provide complete and advanced option and setting based on the model. Okay, thank you.
Hello, Assalamualaikum guys. First of all, my name is Nuraida binti Amran, and I want to tell about power supply. Okay, for the power supply, it's an electrical device that supplies electric power to an electrical load. For the problems are, all devices in a PC receive their PC power via the power supply. A typical failure of a PC power supply is often noticed as a burning smell just before the computer shutdowns. Another problem could be the failure of the water cooling fan, which allows components in the power supply to overheat. To solve the problems, start by checking the computer light. If it is off, check the power supply's fan by placing your palm and the back of the computer. Test the power outlet with another device, and so on. Next, the RAM, which stands for Random Access Memory or main memory, is the physical hardware inside a computer that temporarily stores data, serving as a computer's working memory. The problems: when you first turn on your computer, it runs fine, but as you go about your business, you notice that its performance diminishes. Your computer randomly restarts while you are in the middle of something or freeze periodically. For the solutions, at first diagnose. If you find the problem is with your module, change it or buy new one. Sometimes reconnection RAM modules can fix the problems, but it will be temporary. Okay, that's all.